Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a boron atom model. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need foam balls in at least 3 different colors to represent protons, neutrons, and electrons. Pipe cleaners will help form the electron shells, and a hot glue gun will secure everything. Remember, boron typically has 5 protons, 5 electrons, and 6 neutrons, so plan your ball, count accordingly, for a complete and accurate representation of this fascinating element. Now let's construct the heart of our boron atom, the nucleus. This central part contains 5 protons and 6 neutrons. Choose one color, perhaps red, for your 5 protons, and another, like blue, for your 6 neutrons. Carefully glue these 11 small foam balls together into a compact cluster. This dense nucleus forms the core, around which the electrons will orbit, giving your model its fundamental atomic identity. With the nucleus complete, it's time to add the electrons. Boron has 5 electrons, arranged in 2 distinct shells. The first, innermost shell will hold 2 electrons, while the second, outer shell accommodates the remaining 3. Use pipe cleaners to create circular paths around your nucleus, representing these orbital shells. Then, attach small, perhaps green, foam balls to the pipe cleaners to signify each electron, placing them correctly in their respective energy levels. Congratulations, your boron atom model is nearly complete. Take a moment to review your creation. Double-check that you have precisely 5 protons, 6 neutrons, and 5 electrons, all securely attached. Ensure the 2 electron shells are correctly positioned, with 2 electrons in the inner shell and 3 in the outer. Your finished model provides a fantastic visual representation of boron's atomic structure, a great tool for understanding basic chemistry concepts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.